BAM, Builders Automation Machinery, is proud to announce the introduction of the Ovation Series Casing Application Center, conquering the last frontier in pre-hung door manufacturing. The Ovation Series Casing Application Center is an extremely versatile and innovative machine consolidating 7 manufacturing functions into one. It builds and backstaples the casing hoop, transports finished casing hoop for installation, glues the first side of the door jamb, properly aligns and staples the casing hoop to the door unit, rotates the door 180 degrees, applies glue to the second side of the door jamb, properly aligns and staples the casing hoop to the second side of the door. Now, let's take a look at how easy the machine is to operate.
To start your job, just press house order. Select the product. We're doing a 2.0 with an 81-inch height, 4 1/4 jamb, WM 445 casing, glue on both sides of the jamb, and the casing is going on double sides. We are going to add this to our order. Quantity, we want to do 5, and that is our item number 1. That's it. Let's go load some casing. That's simple.
Fast, efficient, and versatile. The unit accommodates split or flat jamb door units. Jamb sizes from 4 9/16 inches up to 6 9/16 inches in width. Door widths from 1/6 through 3/0. Door heights from 6 feet 7 1/2 inches through 8 feet. Casing widths from 2 1/4 inches through 3 1/2 inches. In thicknesses from 5/8 of an inch through 1 1/16. It will even accommodate door units with casings cut for plinth blocks.
Now, just push in your door and start your job.
Once the casing is loaded and you've started your job, the machine builds the casing hoop and it continues down line in the process through the casing alignment mechanism. Simultaneously, a bead of glue is applied to the head and side jambs of the door unit. The casing hoop for the pre-hung door unit is aligned to near-perfect reveal. The casing hoop is then stapled to the door unit. If the door is a split jamb unit, the machine automatically rotates or flips the door unit to the other side for application of casing to the second side. Finally, the door is exported from the machine and ready for delivery, utilizing only 1 employee from start to finish. The Ovation Series Casing Application Center substantially increases your profitability and competitiveness by dramatically reducing labor costs. Here's how. Only 1 operator is required while replacing 5 to 7 people. Total build time per door unit can be reduced by as much as 8 man-minutes. This results in an estimated savings of more than $3 per pre-hung door unit. This dramatic labor savings returns your investment for the machine in under 18 months and produces pre-hung door units of consistent quality for each and every door. Reveal tolerances are within plus or minus 20 thousandths of an inch on both head and side casing, and casing miter tolerances are plus or minus 5 minutes on 90-degree corners. You can choose glue dispenser with an on-off option and touchscreen HMI menu displays in either English or Spanish. Obviously, each shop has its own individual needs and requirements. The Ovation Series Casing Application Center has the flexibility to address custom per-order shops as well as high-volume, large production environments. The machine was designed, engineered, and built to be modular in construction to address each customer's volume requirements and degree of complexity. Let's show you firsthand how this amazing, versatile, and unique machine, the automated Ovation Series Casing Application Center, will enhance your profits, productivity, and competitiveness. After every great performance, there's an ovation. We believe you'll stand for this performance. For further information and to set up an appointment to see the machine in action, contact Bob Mitvolsky at BAM, Builders Automation Machinery. Call 727-538-2180. That's 727-538-2180.